Hi, Jonathan.Carbutti here with the Jonathan.Carbutti home selling team, and welcome back to our video blog where we're bringing you relevant information to make informed decisions in the marketplace. And especially now in 2020, you have to be a lot more educated and you have to work a lot smarter, especially if you're a buyer in the marketplace. Nobody understands your frustrations more than we do. And I understand because of the lack of inventory in the marketplace, many of you guys have been looking a lot longer for that perfect house, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or even a year or longer. So if you're not working with a real estate agent as a buyer's agent representing you guys and helping you identify that right home in the marketplace, you're doing it the wrong way. If you're looking on Zillow.com or you're looking online at some of these other real estate websites and trying to find a needle in a haystack, you're doing it the wrong way. We can give you a heads up on that perfect property before it comes on the marketplace. If you're driving around on a Sunday afternoon to open houses and randomly and blindly walking into homes trying to find the right home, you're also doing it the wrong way. Call me at the number at the bottom of the screen or shoot me a quick email and we'll sit down, we'll make an appointment face-to-face, sit down to talk about your needs and what you're looking for, and we'll help you identify the right home and we'll show you the Carbutti difference. Thanks for watching.